Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm gonna be filming this video where I show you how to do a quick smoky eye look. I'm gonna be using my favorite palette, the JACKLYN Hill palette. So now for this smoky eye, it's important to prep the eyelid with a concealer or primer, something that sticks and, you know. I'm going to be doing some eyeliner on the lid. Now for this step, you don't have to be careful. Oh, the messier the better. Just keep in mind that the darker you get, the darker it's gonna be. So if you don't want it as dark, don't do too much black. Okay, so grab a brush. I'm gonna be using this one. I'm gonna smudge whatever we've done. That's smudged. I need to wash my brushes. Grab a smaller brush and you're gonna get dark color. You're gonna apply it on top of what we smudged. Again, you don't need to be super careful, just you can get the same brush or you could get a bigger brush. I'm gonna get a bigger one. Go on a lighter color, on a brown. And you're gonna apply it kind of on the edge where the darker color has finished. And you're gonna blend upwards. Now I'm gonna get a more smaller and a bit flatter brush, and I'm gonna get a lighter color to highlight the broken. Go back to the previous brush, take into brown color again. And you continue to do this until you see that it's blended. And I use a bit of red over here. With this brush, I'm gonna get the highlight again. We're highlighting the inner corner. Okay, so with a more dense brush, because the first one was this, and this is more of a fluffy brush, we're gonna get a smaller, denser brush, so the color does not spread so much. It stays where you put it. I'm gonna get a black. I'm gonna go to intensify this black over here. I'm gonna do the bottom lash line. It's okay if you're messy because we're gonna clean that up. Makeup remover. The cotton swab. This is one of the flat ones. So I'm gonna twist it like this so I get the good shape. And put it wherever. So you get a sharper. Why do we open our mouths when we need to touch under our eyes? So I finished the other eye. Now I'm gonna continue from where I left off. I'm gonna grab a bit of a neutral color and I'm gonna smudge slightly over here. Not too much. Now before applying anything under your eyes, because we use the makeup remover, make sure to let it dry well. Otherwise it will separate because obviously it's still reacting to remove the makeup. So till that dries, I'm going to continue doing my eyes. Eyeliner inside your waterline. So you see the difference with a bit of eyeliner. It's huge. Now, another thing that I highly recommend on smoky eyes is false eyelashes. Even if you have long eyelashes, they're not gonna be really noticeable. Now remember, this is a dramatic look, so it's okay to go a bit overboard with the eyelashes. You don't have to look natural. That's what I mean. First I'm applying your eyelashes, let the eyelash glue get a bit tacky first. Liquid liner helps to bond more the eyelash and hide the lash band. I'm gonna finish the other eyelash and finish the rest of my face and come back with the finished look. So, this is the final look. Again, I hope you can hear me. This is the final look. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, please. And yeah, till the next time.